Hey everyone, welcome to the realistic rose quartz tutorial. I want to show you how to achieve a realistic rose quartz look with your nail art. So I hope you enjoy the tutorial. For this look you're going to need white gel paint. You're also going to need hard gel. I used a number 3 from the gel bottle and French white from the gel bottle. Alcohol ink in white and foils. I use the broken glass ones. You're going to need a hard gel brush and also an angle brush. Okay, so we're going to start off with one coat of white, and then we're going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. This is just to give a nice solid background to the French white from the gel bottle, as I find it's a bit transparent, so this helps build the colour up a bit to give you the depth. Okay, so now we're going to go in with a bead of hard gel in the French white. You don't need too thick a layer of this. This is just to build up the depth of the stone look. So I'm applying it on, and then I'm not going to cure it. If you have some cling film or even a piece of plastic from a sandwich bag, if you cut it up to the size of the nail, and then we're going to apply it on to the uncured gel. Okay, so I'm using a bit of a sandwich bag and I'm just placing it on the gel. And then I'm going to use a hoof stick and sort of align it up and make veins almost. You just have to watch it doesn't squeeze out the sides. So we're just placing the plastic on and then obviously shaping it, giving it a bit of texture. And then we're going to cure this in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Okay. So we're going to remove the cling film or the sandwich bag, whatever you've chose to use, and you'll see it gives a nice textured look. Okay, so now you can use your foil. You don't have to use this, but I find it gives a nice depth to the look of the stone. And just place it over the ridges and in between. It's a bit fiddly this, but once you've got it applied, then you can go in with your alcohol ink and just dab it along the top of the ridges, just to give a stronger white on the top again. So it'll just also create another bit of depth when you come to the later stages of filing and buffing. Okay, and when you're happy with that, you can go in with a bead of the pink hard gel that you've chose. I have number 3 here from the gel bottle. It's a nice sheer pink and it is very rose quartzy looking at the end result. So just go in. Doesn't have to be perfect at this stage, and then we're going to cure it for a full 60 seconds again under the lamp. So I've removed it from the lamp. It's now fully cured, so I'm going to give it another bead of hard gel. And as we're building up the layers, we're also in effect building up the depth of the look of the nail. It may seem like a lot, but we're adding to refine, and once we've refined, we'll add a top coat and you'll see that beautiful depth, and it is so worthwhile. So cured, just going to give it a rub down with a bit of cleanser. Happy with that, so go back in, just tidy up any edges that I'm not happy with. Cure it again under the lamp for the 60 seconds. When that's cured, remove from the lamp and cleanse. And then we're going to go in with 100 grit and we're going to file the surface of the nail down till it's nice and smooth. And then I went back in again with a 120 a 180 buffer and smoothed that whole surface down. And now we're starting to see the depth. We're starting to see the richness of that stone. Still a matte finish, but when that top coat goes on, it's going to look beautiful. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to add a few more detailed veins on the top of the stone. I've got my gel bottle top coat, and then I've got my white gel paint. So I'm going to go in and paint a few more surface veins with my fine detail brush here. So I'm just going to take my detail brush, go along the surface of the nail, give nice fine white lines. It all adds to the depth of the final look. And then using some acetone, I'm going to drag the harshness of the lines out just so they're not as harsh. I was using this brush, but it was just completely making the lines disappear. So I went back in with my other angled brush and just added some more detail in. Once you're happy with the final placement of those lines, pop in the lamp and cure for 60 seconds and then top coat. I used Extreme Shine top coat from the gel bottle. Once you've applied all over the nail, just cure for your 60 seconds and look at that depth. How amazing is that? It really is something else. You should give this a go. And to finish the look off, I then went back in with some blooming gel from the gel bottle, applied around the edge of the nail. I cured for about 10 seconds and then I applied some gold foil. This is gold flake actually. I buy this from the range. It's about $1.99 for a massive box. It's very good value. And then I just went along and rubbed it in. Gives it a nice chrome finished look, and then dusted off the excess. Top coat and cure in your lamp for about 60 seconds. And this is the final look. Let me know what you think and if you'd like to see some more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.